Whenever you decide to upscale an image in focus, whether it's 1.5 times or 2 times, the original face on that image actually changes, and this can be a massive problem, especially if you're trying to retain likeness. But luckily the fix is very simple. It's just contained within a hidden menu. So in focus you have to go to Advanced, enable Developer Debug Mode, go to Debug Tools, and scroll down to the bottom until you see an option called Force Override of Denoising Strength of Upscale. Right, by default this is on -1, which means that it's disabled, but if you put this on a value of 0.01, and you don't need to type anything in the prompt box, and it also doesn't matter if you've got styles enabled or you've got none of these styles enabled, if you click on generate, it's going to be as close as possible to the original face, actually almost identical. And to demonstrate this, I've got a comparison. So here's the original image before the upscale. So in focus by default it's on -1. Now you can see it upscales the image, but the face changes, right? This is a completely different person. As long as you put on 0.01, you can see this is almost completely identical, and you get an upscaled image. So it's as simple as that, and problem solved. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for some more tutorials and videos, and goodbye.